Hey there! Ever found yourself in a situation where you needed to remember a phone conversation? Maybe you were discussing important details, negotiating a deal, or just wanted to keep a record of a particularly interesting call. Well, today, we're diving into a question that might have crossed your mind. Can RingCentral record phone calls? RingCentral is a popular cloud-based communication platform that offers a range of features, from voice and video calling to messaging and team collaboration. But when it comes to recording calls, things can get a bit more complex. So, let's break down the different scenarios and see what's possible. Scenario 1. Recording your own calls. The most common scenario is when you want to record your own phone calls for personal or professional reasons. In this case, RingCentral offers a feature called call recording. This allows you to automatically record all incoming and outgoing calls on your RingCentral number. How to enable call recording. Log in to your RingCentral account. Go to your settings. Locate the call recording option. Enable the feature and choose your preferred recording settings, e.g., record all calls, record only selected callers. Benefits of call recording. Reference and review. Easily refer back to important conversations. Training and quality assurance. Use recordings for training purposes or to evaluate call quality. Legal documentation. Keep a record of conversations for legal or compliance purposes. Scenario 2. Recording calls with consent. Now, what about recording calls with other people? This is a more sensitive topic as it involves their privacy. In most jurisdictions, it's generally legal to record your own side of a conversation. However, if you want to record both sides, you need to obtain explicit consent from the other party. Obtaining consent. Clearly inform the other person that you intend to record the conversation. Get their verbal or written consent. Document the consent for your records. Best practices. Inform the other party. Be transparent and upfront about your intentions. Obtain clear consent. Ensure that the consent is freely given and unambiguous. Follow local laws. Familiarize yourself with the recording laws in your jurisdiction. Scenario 3. Recording calls for business purposes. If you're using RingCentral for business purposes, there might be additional factors to consider when it comes to call recording. For example, your company might have specific policies or regulations regarding call recording, especially if you handle sensitive data. Company policies and regulations. Check your company's policies on call recording. Ensure compliance with industry-specific regulations, e.g., HIPAA, GDPR. Call center recording. If you operate a call center, recording calls can be a valuable tool for quality assurance, training, and compliance. Consider using a dedicated call recording system integrated with RingCentral. Additional considerations. Storage and retention. Decide how long you want to store recorded calls and how you will manage storage space. Consider using a cloud-based storage solution. Security. Implement measures to protect recorded calls from unauthorized access or disclosure. Encrypt recordings and restrict access to authorized personnel. Regulatory compliance. Ensure compliance with relevant data privacy and retention laws. Consult with legal counsel if you have any questions. So, can RingCentral record phone calls? The answer is yes, but it depends on the specific scenario. Whether you're recording your own calls, obtaining consent from others, or complying with business regulations, it's important to understand the rules and best practices. By following these guidelines, you can effectively use call recording to enhance your communication and protect your interests. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any further questions or want to explore other RingCentral features, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, keep communicating and stay informed.